I think we all know that business is the industry is growing well. And the pre-COVID and post-COVID, now there are 2 decades is happening. It's like 2 different scenario to give something back to the industry. So giving back to the industry, you have to really invest, innovate for the industry. Anything paint, vinyl, or maybe anything wood, cloth, and you are there to serve your client for the best of the best with the best of the best stability certificate. Working for that, we started from the monsoon shed to building a tarpaulin manufacturer, a decorator, and now we serve the entire country.
Well, friends, when we talk about events and exhibitions, there are few names which stand apart. Today I am going to conduct this podcast with a gentleman whom we have all known in the industry since many years, and they have made some significant contributions to the growth of Indian event and exhibition industry. I am going to speak to none other than Mr. Bhavesh Thakkar, the director at Jess Ideas. Thank you, Bhavesh bhai, for joining us in this special podcast.
Tell me.
I was there at your stall.
Yeah.
I mean, you have built a wonderful booth.
Correct.
And what you are showcasing is that booths can be built and dismantled in one day in a very limited amount of time. Please tell us about this new innovative, you can say, product or service of yours.
Yeah, thank you, Raghavji. So basically, we have been a founder member of ISA. So it has been our moral responsibility to give something back to the industry. So giving back to the industry, you have to really invest, innovate for the industry. So here, generally what we see, we have created a mezzanine floor this time. To create that mezzanine floor, we always work back end. कि आपको 3 महीना काम करना पड़ेगा. You really need to plan it well. You have to appoint a structural engineer. Finally, that takes time more than 3 days. So here we have showcases like with the 8 to 10 people, you can create a 100 square meter, 1000 square foot area easily within 8 hours. So here we are also saying everyone that don't waste any wood or anything which is not eco-friendly or maybe not naturally supported. So here we are not even wasting a single nut bolt, not even wasting welding part, not tying, and also we are offering that we don't require to power supply to erect my stalls. So I can offer the maximum capacity with the innovation of the layer scaffolding system, getting the product from the Germany, using it from last 10 years. And here I am showcasing for the industry, like you can have it, easily you can install it. There is no panic. Last moment also you are planning it. You can easily conduct it and give the best load and do whatever decor on that. So this is what we have. And we are there for the industry with exhibition showcase, with ISA, with IEIA, with IBA, and we work for entire country for concerts, exhibition, government event, political events. And this product works well for any political show or maybe a sports events, just to do flag off. You are creating a cantilever thing, you are creating a balcony, and do whatever you just think of the idea, and we have a solution.
So what is the minimum and maximum size that this kind of a structure can cater?
So basically, after you can minimum span, you can get it 4 to 5 meter, which I have created right now. Considering the height and consideration, we have given the 5 meter span, but we can go up to easily 8 meter without any pillar, 8 meter and lengthwise anything. So you can really have without pillar anything. You can use the downstairs and the upwards both the ways. You can do also waterproofing. You can have all the safety hazards, what you have keep in mind, and you are thinking of anything which are ye nahi hoga, wo nahi hoga. Everything is come. You can come visit us, or maybe you can contact me. Plenty of organizer, plenty of association members, plenty of participant, exhibitors, fabricators have visited, and they were shocked by seeing this thing. Like, how can this possible? And we were wasting so much energy, power, planning, labor, money into it just to create a mezzanine floor, and this is just a magic or maybe a miracle for the industry.
This is, I think, a wonderful breakthrough innovation that we have done. And we talk about sustainability, and you cannot go beyond this for when it comes to sustainability, I think.
Correct. So generally we think whenever we build this kind of stall, we always use vinyl, paint kar rahe hain, and after using the stall for 3 days, 4 days or 5 days, we just throw it out everything. So removing that and keeping back is not advisable. Here you are saving money because you are not even transporting enough. you are just creating a 1000 square foot area, mezzanine floor. Within a one truck, you can get it here and get it back. There is no single wastage of carpet, no wastage of anything, paint, vinyl, or maybe anything wood, cloth, and you are there to serve your client for the best of the best with the best of the best stability certificate.
Absolutely. Well, Bhavesh ji, the legacy of Jess Ideas
Yeah,
goes behind several decades.
yeah.
Please take us through the journey and what kind of significant milestones you have seen in the journey of Jess Ideas.
Yeah. So we are in the 56th year. We have started this 1969. We are third generation working for that. We started from the monsoon shed to building a tarpaulin manufacturer, decorator, and now we serve the entire country. All the event management companies are my client. All the associations we work with hand in hand. All the corporate companies in India, all the corporates who do the bigger wedding like Reliance or anything, we work hand in hand, and they really trust us and work with us. So timely, you have to innovate yourself. If you don't invest in such a thing and you keep working as a what you have and you can't grow, so you have to keep on investing and giving your client something new. Then only you can survive or maybe you can grow.
But I think your journey began in 1969 with the
Yeah.
name Jasram
Jairam Shivji. and
Jairam
Sons.
Shivji and
So
Sons.
that's the short form.
Yeah.
Now become as Jess Ideas Private Limited. Jairam Shivji and Sons ka short form is.
And in those years, I think nobody really knew how this industry will evolve or what the industry is actually about.
Correct. So, late 90s, India has seen with the Michael Jackson show. So we were part of that Michael Jackson show in a big way, and that's the way we started entering into the event market.
Yeah.
So now event market has become so big. So it is like you are not even able to cater now. Considering in India, now you can travel everywhere, you can get all the material, and people started knowing it because people have started going abroad, visiting the show, understanding the show, what product has been used, what the stability, what the importance of the life. On that basis, we are also started investing in many German products like hangers, like layer scaffolding, so tough rotator. We are the solution giver to all the 5-star hotels. How you can save your lawn, how you can work inside the stadium, you can get your truck. Yeah. And give the more stability and giving all the award ceremonies gift by using all the tough rotators and plenty of new products which generally client or maybe our partners that doesn't know about it.
Absolutely. I think Jess Ideas is pioneering in event structures, outdoor event structures, temporary event structures, and the benchmark is the quality that they provide. So I think any message finally you would like to give to our audiences, Bhavesh bhai?
Yeah, I think all are working hard, and I think we all know that business is the industry is growing well, and the pre-COVID and post-COVID now there are 2 decades is happening. It's like 2 different scenario. People have started investing just because we are growing. We are growing internationally. All artists are coming here. International expo, international exhibitions also coming here. So I think we have to keep growing, keep innovating, and serving our client in a way that India should focus. India should be in a capital of the exhibition.
Absolutely, very well said. I would like to thank Bhavesh bhai for giving us time today for this insightful episode. Yeah. We will bring out his exclusive journey, his very enriching journey in our upcoming edition of Exhibition Showcase. Stay tuned, stay happy, stay healthy.